Done! Let's fuel the dump truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. We need to wash the dump truck. Don't stop. We need to assemble a truck. Done! Let's load tiles in the truck. You're doing really great. Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. Let's weld a crack on the truck. You're doing really great. And now let's grind the seam. Keep up the good work. Look at the cloud and choose this keep up the good work. We need to assemble the dray scene. Don't stop. Let's load the rails onto the dray scene. Keep it up. Let's lay the rails and fix them. Let's wash the dray scene. Amazing! Let's assemble the minecart. Done! Let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. You're doing really great. Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. We need to wash the minecart. Done! Let's assemble a pile driver. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the pile driver. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's hammer piles for the station building. We need to wash the pile driver. Done! We need to assemble the flat car. Amazing! Now let's load the boards onto the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's make wooden decking for the platform. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. Keep up the good work. Choose the same color as in the cloud. Done! We need to assemble the open wagon. You're doing really great. Let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. We did it! Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. Let's wash the open wagon. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Ready. And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. We did it! Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. We need to fix a crack on the crane with cargo. Keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap. Done!